Good morning to all. This is Cabnes. This is a project on the business analytic with the Qlik. This is a portal for smart index, which all the courses and the projects are described. This is a course on the self-learning, where we have to learn the self-learning, and this is are the training calendars. We can join using these links, and we can also see the recorded videos, and we have so many group projects. I have chosen the road safety as my project. Let us see the project on the road safety.
This is a Qlik Cloud web app for your analytical service. We have done a project on your business analytics on your road safety and the accident patterns in India. The first we have to need an data set to upload in the cloud. So we have add our data set already by using the add new. We have first create a new analytical app, and next we have to upload a data set we have downloaded before. I have already created an app like, that was called as a road safety. We can open that app. It may take a few seconds to open. This is the app that we have created by using the data set we have downloaded before. First, we have to open a data manager where we have to pre-process our data downloaded before, and remove the unwanted data, and we have to merge some data to form a use and efficient data to forms a charts and the visualization and a storytelling. And here this is are the data we have uploaded and the merged. Totally they are 9 datasets we have downloaded it and the we have merged using the up, apply all command for automatically it will uh, it will merge the relation between them, and we have reduced our work by using the automatic method. And next part we have to create an analytical sheets by using the data that we have uploaded already. Now we have to open our the sheet tab, which we have created the 9 or 10 sheets before. These are the sheets that have been created already. uh, the first we have created a sheets for the accident patterns which have happened due to the drunken drive. This is a visualization for the accident pattern of a drunken drive. The first we have the states list in the y-axis, and we have the drunken drive by the numbers by which an accident happens in the x-axis. The total we have more than the 12.5k, and the Uttar Pradesh is the highest state of the accident due to the drunken drive cases. Next, we have to move to the next slide. Next, we have created the accident due to the mobile usage, which was mostly happen in our country. This was a chart for the accident due to the mobile phone usage. The we have in y-axis the total number of the accidents. In x-axis, a state-wise list. Here we have the bar chart represents the total accident in the states in the total count. The grievously injured count is the count color is uh, yellow color, and the blue color represent the total injured, and the minor injured was in a violet color, and the red color indicates the person killed in an accident. Here the blue color represented the 972 total injured total injured, and the minor injury is in a violet color. But here have the less amount in a violet color, and we have clicked here. It, when we have clicked the bar chart, it will show the total information about the state. When you have clicked the Haryana, the total accidents are 500, 500 and something. They are showing that tab, and we have clicked the Madhya Pradesh. It will show the total accident in Madhya Pradesh, and the minor injured and total injured and the person killed. This was the chart of the mobile phone usage accidents in India. Next, we have moved to the next chart. Next, we have the charts for the age group killed and the accident of weathers. accidents or weathers due to the various climatic conditions. We have the four conditions for accident: the sunny and the clear road when the accident happening in the normal a normal situation, and the rainy situation, and the fog and the misty situation, and the hail and the sleet. The blue color, dark blue represents the sunny and clear, and the yellow color represents the rainy, and the blue color represents the foggy and misty. Before we have seen a sheet for the action by weather. Now we have the another sheet for the vehicle contribution on their accident. This is a sheet for the accident due to the vehicle types. This is a stacked graph which which in a y-axis and the x-axis. These are the measures and the states we have the listed, and the motorcycle which are bicycles, buses, cars, taxis and vans and others, and the pedestrians, trucks, lorries, and the two-wheelers are the measures that we have used in this tab. We can see all the count that we have applied and created a chart. The Andhra Pradesh, if you have clicked on there, they will show the pedestrian walks. The blue color represent the violet color represent the pedestrian, and now we have clicked on the blue color which represents the b- trucks and the lorries which the accident happened due to them. This was the chart that represents the accident by a vehicle. Next, we have to move the next sheet that we have been created. The pedestrian killed by a gender. This was the sheet that a number of pedestrians that are killed by the accident. They are differentiated by their gender by using a stacked graph before used above, and the blue color represents the female and the red color represents the male. This was the total count that have been shown here, and uh, and the blue represents the female. The 505 females died in the Maharashtra, and the 2000 plus males died in Maharashtra. This was the chart for the pedestrian killed by gender. Next, we have to move to the next chart. This was the accident due to the speeding by the state wise. This this chart represents the point, the total accidents. Here the numbers by number. Here was the over speeding. How many number of the accident happens due to the over speeding? The y-axis represents this. This was the state wise, which was the showing here. If we create the if we click the Chhattisgarh, it will showing the total accidents, the 13,009 30,000.9, and showing the which was happened due to the overspeeding, only the 12,000, that we have the difference of the 1,000 because of the it also happened due to the another by the pedestrian, that also that's why here it is showing like that. That we have to move to the next sheet. Minor injured across the countries, which was the minor injured means the above above 18 years or not. This was the mention, which was below 18 years is mentioned here, which was the graph showing here by the map. This was showing here. If I click the Uttar Pradesh it was showing the how many killed less than 18 years is 212 is 221. It was showing that here. If I click the West Bengal, it's showing that 225, that that killed male killed less than 18 years, and the female killed is 54. If I click the Tamil Nadu, the male killed less than the 18 is 28. This was the chart that the minors killed in the countries. Then next we have to move to the next chart. A road user killed by using the vehicles. This was the next chart. This was another stacked chart that we have been created already. This was the buses, accidents, lorries, and the two-wheelers. It was like the the chart that we have before created. Next we have to move to our storytelling dashboard. We have created the dashboard of a traffic light, that we have created the accidents near the traffic light. The total accidents is 9,000. 9,000. Then Andhra Pradesh is 110. This was a KPI that we have used the three KPI. The persons injured, the persons killed, number of accidents near the traffic light. If we create the Andhra Pradesh, the KPI will change. Now click the Kerala for another the KPI change, which was changed to 1,400, and the person killed is 119, and the person injured will be also the change. Next we have created another dashboard for the accident which was happened near the police control areas. Let's see the dashboard. This was the dashboard for the accident happened near the police control areas. Here the states that the total accidents are the 20,000, and the Uttar Pradesh states that among the highest. Let's get, let's click the Uttar Pradesh. The total accident near the police control areas in Uttar Pradesh is 2,000, and the person killed is the 1,000. This was the this was the dashboard that we have created. Let's create. Let's click the West Bengal. The total accidents is 942, and the person killed is 440. This was a dashboard that we have been created in this project. Next, we have created another storytelling, which was defining the whole project in the storytelling like the PPT. First, we have created the first slide, and based on a traffic signal dashboard that we have been created before. Next, we have the accident in the police control areas in the dashboard that we have been created before. Then next we have the accident due to the mobile phone usage as a new slide, which is a chart that have been shown in before. Next we have an accident by the weather of the chart that we have been shown before. Next we have the chart of the accident due to the speeding. Next the pedestrian that killed by a gender, and this was the last slide that I have been created. That's all about my video. The internship was very useful to learn something about the business analytics and how to create the interactive charts and the visualization. That is very useful to explain our information and the data that we have been having already. This was a very useful journey to learn a new thing with a Qlik software and a smart internship. Thank you to all.